Good morning, crafters. It is the first installment of today's craft project. I want to go ahead and tell you what we're going to be doing and get you excited and let you go gather your stuff, and then we'll get started. If you go on Google right now and you do a search for blue and green pumpkin tablescapes, you will be amazed with how cool and how gorgeous this new look is. So just for a little sneak peek in case you haven't looked, I went ahead and pulled up a couple of, I don't know if you can see on the screen some of the things that come up. And anyway, so we are going to be making faux sweater pumpkins today. Now I'm going to show you the colors I'm using, and then you can go ahead and pick out the colors that you want to use, but I'm going to go ahead and try and mimic that blue and green look. So first things first, you're going to go ahead and need some pumpkins. I found these yesterday at Joann's, originally $24.99. I got them 60% off and then another 20% off my full purchase. So it was a really great deal. It's a bag of 8, all small, different sizes. So you're going to need pumpkins, not real guys. You're going to need the faux ones, the craft pumpkins. You're also going to need a bunch of paints. I'm going to mix and match a bunch that I have to try to make some colors that are really fun. You need some hot glue and a hot glue gun. It doesn't really matter what kind you have, so just use whatever you have hot glue wise. You need some masking tape, and you know, because I'm a weirdo, I have some sticks around. Why not? And I'm gonna hold on to these just in case when I remove the fabric on the outside of the pumpkins, if the stem comes off and I can't get it back on. It also looks a little plasticky and cheapy, so if you have some sticks, go ahead and get those, because you might want to cut them down and use them for a real stem on your pumpkin, which will be really cool. Anyway, that's what you need, and then I'm gonna actually go ahead and upload this sweater template that I drew this morning. I went ahead and Googled some sweaters for you guys and put on different templates, so we can use this as a guide. The thing is you don't want it to be, it doesn't have to be perfect, so I don't want you getting a ruler out and feeling that every line has to be perfect, guys. No. Let's just have fun with this. If you do one and you don't want to do all 8 and you want to get one big one, let's just do it. Let's have fun together. So go get your stuff and we'll get started.